like that.
So his Kira is eating. Ajay ji, आपने तो खाना छोड़ ही दिया है. I think we need to clap for his maintenance at this fabulous stage of his career. I am a true fan of your body. What you're looking in the hoardings and in the movie, it's stunning. And you said once at Radio City that you do this every day of your life. You don't keep your dieting before film and stuff. तो आप कैसे hold कर पाते हो इनके सामने जब
No,
ये
it's
खा रहे
become a habit. नहीं ऐसे बीच में छोड़ भी देते हैं, but usually it's become a habit. Like you eat only certain things in the night. It has become a habit. अगर problem
तो
होती है.
किस चीज़ का कीड़ा है जब एक चीज़ आप छोड़ते हो तो किसी और को पकड़ते हो तो क्या है वो कीड़ा क्या है आपके अंदर watching films trying to dance what is the कीड़ा
उसके अलावा ऐसे बहुत सारे कीड़े हैं which I can't speak here.
So I'll go to Sonakshi then. We know you love dancing. What is this song meant to you if I know? Because we all have some kiras within us, and yours is dancing all the way. In fact, she sketches beautifully because she's a designer, and she's come a couple of times in the studio and done that for us. But is there anything else that you've caught on to of late?
Any other kira? Actually, I have quite a few kiras, but the most evident ones are dancing, and then there's of course I'm a very good bathroom singer. So yeah, I like to sing
So
sometimes.
think this is a bathroom. Sing.
Really, with like 1,000 people there, I don't think so.
What? हिमेश जी को पता है?
I think you should sing.
I should sing.
Yeah, because I'm sure you'll sing it very well. Trust me.
इनकी पिचिंग कमाल की है.
है नहीं genuinely भी है आप अगर मजाक के टोन में बोल रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं.
I'll sing if you sing.
Yeah, come. Yeah, okay.
Start.
तुमसे मिलने का
कीड़ा अंदर है,
डेटिंग कर ले तू
ओपन कैलेंडर है.
सो मंगल बुध गुरु शुक्र शनि रवि.
आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली.
मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ
आजा
अजय जी
मेरी
को
गली.
वो लाइव स्टेप अगर वो कर ले वो लेग्स वाला oh come on Ajay ji
Now, you made me sing live on stage. You have to do that.
वो देख के आपको पापा आप
Yeah,
डांस कर रहे हो
they saw it yesterday and they've loved it and they were my daughter was very surprised.
So this has been a pleasant surprise to them as well.
Yes.
Himesh ji, is that really your voice? I want to know.
yeah because it's in the mid range it's not in the high pitch voice it's not nasal नाक से नहीं गाया है
आपको आप में से किसी को पता चला वही है.
और I think it's I've enjoyed working with Prabhu ji and Ajay ji के साथ बोल बच्चन and Son of Sardar and Sonakshi के साथ I mean lots of hits have been there they've really been very lucky for me so it's been a great team and this film is Prabhu Deva see every frame में आपको दिखेंगे music में दिखेंगे every beat में and he is there in everything मेरे म्यूजिक में जो भी आपको दिख रहा है it is प्रभु देवा जी
हिमेश जी आपका एक बैंक रहता है गानों का. Honestly tell me, did these songs go from that bank or you
yeah
had
they were
to
from the
create
bank
one?
but then he improvised it was not that it was just taken from the bank the way
Acha.
he placed it in the film the way he wanted to shoot it the way he wanted to fit it to Ajay ji's character Sonakshi's character so I mean he really worked very hard on each song so it's his vision completely
तो इसमें वो जो signature step पे एक instrument आ रहा है.
yeah and
Which
we
one is
used to
that?
enjoy watching him in the music room also oh my god it's such a treat
Were you choreographing while he was making his music?
Prabhu choreographs while sitting, sleeping, lots of other
In his
things while
dreams.
he's doing.
No, but Himesh ji, it's amazing. It's remarkable how this was already in your pitara, which means somewhere आपके अंदर भी dance है.
नहीं मेरे में तो बिल्कुल नहीं है बट अजय जी को देखकर मुझे ये पता नहीं
If
क्यों
you
लोग कह
make
रहे हैं
me
कि अजय
sing
जी
now,
ने
you
पहली
have to
बार तो
dance.
किया नहीं है सन ऑफ सरदार में ऑलरेडी वो इतने हिट गाने डांस करके दे चुके हैं प्रभु जी has taken it to the other level next
Now
level.
Sonakshi has a request for you. आपने इनका जो
आपने
singing कीड़ा
मुझे
निकाला है.
sing कराया तो आपको तो डांस करना ही
मेरे को
पड़ेगा.
आता ही नहीं है डांस
बबू
करना
मैंने भी कहा मुझे नहीं
oh
आता.
my god
हम आपको इंडिया का जैक्सन बुलाते हैं, माइकल जैक्सन बुलाते हैं. Is it an exciting, you're like a child whenever I see you. Is it exciting कि finally एक film आपके नाम के साथ जुड़ रही है जिसमें जैक्सन word है? Think about it.
No, of course, if anybody calls with love, it will. I'm a human being, will love it. But not because of it. It's not in my name.
But आप director है ना अजय sir, isn't it just fair to say that?
बिल्कुल.
No, any film, when they told us first this title, Action Jackson, everybody loved it. So this film was perfect for it. Then I told it, well, okay.
All right, great. Then to
And
that.
first of all, thanks to Umesh sir, such a superb songs. And not only this song, we have 6 to 7 songs in the film. And first time I'm working with this sir, he's tremendously, I mean, he's tremendous and so talented, and it was great working
My
with
pleasure
him.
working with you, sir. And Ajay ji, Sonakshi, thank you very much.
वर्ड्स कॉइन करने में बहुत माहिर हैं. कीड़ा में आपने कुछ अपना, ये आपका ही वर्ड था कीड़ा.
नहीं, but कहीं ना कहीं इनका उसमें भी improvisation है, बहुत सारी चीजें.
But this was a song you made before and had the word कीड़ा in it.
Yeah, it was there. I mean, it was written by Shabbir Ahmed, the lyric writer. But Prabhuji has really improvised. That ta 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 ta. That's him. You
And
know,
what
how
instrument is that, if I may ask?
that is electronics, of course. It's
Okay.
a modern Chennai.
Superb. Questions from the media, please.